Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English Channel, where learning English is easy, simple, and fun. I'm Emery.
Hello, Emily, and hello, everyone. It is so wonderful to be here with you today. I am feeling very happy and excited.
I'm happy too, Paul. You look very energetic today. Did you have a good morning?
Yes, I did. I had a big breakfast and a very good cup of coffee. You know me, Emily. I love my coffee.
Yes, I know. Coffee is your best friend.
That's true. Without coffee, I am not Paul.
But today, Paul, we are not going to talk about coffee.
Oh, no? Then what are we going to talk about?
Today, we are going to talk about something very important, something that helps you every single day.
Now I'm curious.
Today's topic is essential English phrases for daily conversations.
Oh, I like that topic.
These are the phrases you need when you go to the shop, when you talk to your neighbors, when you are at work, or when you meet new people.
That is very important. Many English learners know a lot of words, but they don't know how to use them in real life.
Exactly. Today, we want to help you feel confident when you speak English.
But wait, Emily. Before we start, we need to ask our friends for a small favor.
Yes, you're right.
Everyone, if you enjoy learning English with us, please click the like button right now.
And please subscribe to Speak English channel. It really helps us make more videos for you.
And don't forget to share this video with your friends. Learning English is more fun together.
Okay, now we're ready. Let's start with greetings, the first thing we say when we meet someone.
Most people learn hello and how are you?
Yes, those are very good. But in real life, people use many other greetings.
Like what?
One very common phrase is, "How's it going?"
How's it going? I hear that everywhere.
Yes, it means almost the same as, "How are you?" but it sounds more relaxed and friendly.
So if I see my neighbor, I can say, hey, how's it going?
Exactly.
And what is a good answer?
It's going well, thanks. Pretty good. Or just, good, thanks.
Good, thanks. Easy and simple.
Another very popular greeting is, "What's up?"
What's up? I hear that in movies all the time.
Yes, but remember, "What's up?" is very informal.
So I should not say, what's up to my boss.
No, probably not.
Okay, what's up for friends? How are you today for my boss?
Perfect. Now, let's talk about being polite. This is very important in English.
Yes, English people love polite words.
The most important polite words are please, thank you, and sorry.
They are the kings of English.
That's right, but there are more polite phrases.
Like what?
For example, excuse me.
Excuse me. When do I use that?
You use it when you want to get someone's attention or when you want to ask a question.
Like on the bus?
Yes, excuse me, can I sit here? Or, excuse me, where is the station?
So it's like a polite hello before a question.
Exactly.
And what about sorry?
You say sorry when you make a mistake, but you can also say sorry when you don't hear someone.
Sorry? With a question sound?
Yes, it means, I didn't hear you. Can you say it again?
That is very useful. People speak fast.
They do. Another polite phrase is, could you repeat that, please?
Could you repeat that, please? That sounds very kind.
It is. Never be afraid to ask.
Emily, I get very nervous in shops and restaurants.
That's normal. Let's practice some easy phrases.
Okay, I'm ready.
When you want to know the price, you say, how much is this?
How much is this?
You can point and ask.
And if I want to buy it,
You say, I'll take it.
I'll take it. That feels good.
In a cafe, you can say, Can I have a coffee, please?
Can I have a green tea, please?
Perfect.
That's better than saying, give me tea.
Yes, give me sounds rude.
And when I want to pay?
You say, Can I have the bill, please? Or, Can I have the check, please?
The bill or the check. Got it. Emily, sometimes I don't know what to say when someone talks.
You don't need long sentences. You can use listening phrases.
Listening phrases?
I see. Really? That's interesting.
I see means I understand.
Exactly.
And really shows surprise.
Yes, it shows you are listening. Now let's talk about helping others.
Okay.
You can say, Can I help you? Or, Do you need help?
Can I help you with that?
Perfect.
And when someone helps me, I say, thank you so much.
Yes, and they can say, You're welcome, or No problem.
No problem sounds very relaxed.
Goodbye is fine, but there are better ways.
Like, see you later.
Yes, or see you soon.
And have a nice day.
Perfect. You can also say, Take care.
I like that one.
Let's imagine a situation. You meet someone new at a party.
I say, hello, I'm Paul. What's your name?
Great. They say, I'm Maria.
Nice to meet you, Maria.
Perfect.
Then I ask, how do you know the host?
Excellent. Compliments are very powerful.
Like magic.
Yes, you can say, You have a beautiful home.
I like your shirt.
The food is delicious.
People love that.
Today we learned many useful phrases.
Greetings, politeness, shopping, listening, work, and parties.
Remember, communication is more important than perfection.
Yes, just try.
Everyone, please leave a comment below. What is your favorite English phrase?
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Take care.
Have a nice day.